are bigger than what people say. You are greater than what people say. You are bigger 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 than what men may say. Oh, make my children. You are richer than what the level of the world reach. You are the supplier of riches for overflow. You are bigger, you are bigger. You are greater, you are great. There is no father like you. There is no comparison with you. There is someone here in the house with a garment of heaviness while this worship is going on. That play has been jumped out for her. Hey, oh, my there is a test you are bound to encounter tomorrow. The Lord said, I have gone ahead of you, and that test has been cancelled. Of men, the historical changer, the door opener, the consuming fire that never comes. We bow before you, the express image of our Father, the God that uses people to fall asleep. We bow before you, the faithful to Esther, the historical changer to Abraham, the life giver to Ezekiel, the souls are coming in. Our eternal rock of ages, the satisfier of life, the ancient of days that never get old. We bow before you. Shaking up glory, Lord, you make them forever. You reign forever. Father, we want to thank you as a church. We want to give you all the glory. Yes, sir. You reign forever. In the months you reign, in the weeks you reign, in the minutes